Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your elements color in Canva. First step is to open your preferred browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com and this will lead you to a home page of your Canva website. Here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button, click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, simply click on the elements option which is on the left side, and on the search bar search for your required element. Now simply drag this element into this screen, and here on the top side you can see this edit image option, click on it. Now you can see this filter option here, click on see all, and from here you can choose different filters and this will automatically change the color of your element. For an example, if I choose this hazel one, then you can see that it will change the color of my element. So this is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.